We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx Imaging. In this video, I will show you how to clear your paper jam on your HP OfficeJet Pro 9020 printer. It only has 3 places that it's going to get jammed. That's your output tray, your rear cover, and the paper tray. So let's check them one by one. Alright, first we're going to look at your output tray. This is where the paper comes out of the printer. If you see paper stuck here, go ahead and just gently pull it out, discard, and if the output tray is clear, you're going to move on to your next step. Alright, so now we're on step 2. You're going to flip your printer to the back and you're going to see a little handle. Go ahead and pull that to open the cover and check for any jammed paper that would be right here. If you see any, go ahead and gently pull it up and out, and be careful because it will be hot back here. Finally guys, you'll check your paper tray that's at the bottom of the printer. Pull it out and look for any jammed paper or foreign objects. You want to specifically be gentle when you're in your paper tray, that way you don't damage anything, but you want to make sure that these adjustments are made for the correct size of paper that you're using and that they're locked in place. If you see any jams, make sure you remove it and be very careful. Alright guys, that's it. You successfully removed a jam on your HP OfficeJet Pro 9020 printer. Thanks for watching our video and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.